To pick up your anchor, the first thing you want to do, let's say you're solo on your boat, you want to see where your anchor is headed off of your bow. So I'm just going to look over the side right here. It looks like the anchor line just runs straight in front of the boat. So what I want to do is drive to that anchor and pick it up as I'm driving to the anchor, because we don't want to use that windlass to bring the boat to the anchor. That's just a lot of pressure on the windlass, and we don't want to use it that much. We don't want the risk of failure. So we'll come back here. We know we have to drive just straight. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do, I've got to make sure that windlass power is on. Okay, and then I'm just going to leave my engine straight, maybe a little bit to the left, because I see the bow is starting to move this way a bit. And I'm just going to put starboard and forward just to get some slack on that line. And then I press up. So now I'm in neutral, so I just wanted a little bit of forward momentum. Now the windlass is coming up, and I start to hear, now there's the chain. Move it forward a little bit more just to get a little bit more momentum. All right. We don't want to leave it in forward because we don't want to run over the chain as we're picking it up. So we just want the boat to hover to where the chain is straight up and down. And that sounds like it's it. I'll leave the power on and we'll walk up to the bow and make sure everything is okay up there. Looks like the anchor is in the pocket right there. So now I'm going to take the clip and latch it on. And just like that, the anchor's secure. Now up here on this boat, you have one of these if you need to make any adjustments right here. That's why I left the windlass power on, so I could use this if I needed to while I'm up here. But we'll close this and we'll be good to go.